Alright, so hello world, welcome back to another video. In this video, we're gonna keep building our job finder. So now what I'm gonna do is we're gonna start to work on this resume upload to S3. If you haven't watched the previous video, be sure to watch it. So you can have an idea of what S3 is. Okay, so recall, this is where we left off. We got the applicant ID and the job ID, right? So now I need to handle this resume upload. Okay. So, and let's see our thing. We implement helpers. So here I can also say from helpers, import upload S3, get S3. Yep. All right, let's see some of the requirements we need. Upload S3. We're just going to put a request here. And then it's going to give us a code back. For now, a file code. Let's just name it like that. And I just want to see what's that file code. Response. What's that file code look like for now? Okay. See if we upload everything successfully. Alright, let's go ahead and drag this file here. This is a template. This is just a PDF. It's find online at templates. Obviously, this is not my resume because it's from templates.net there. But this is just a resume. Oh, shouldn't close it. Okay, well, no worries. I'm just gonna download it again. All right. Okay, so I drag it here. Cover letter. We don't need that part. All right, so now you can see here is we got the code. All right, we got the code. We don't have to put PDF here, to be honest. Yeah. All right. So now what's gonna happen is we're gonna get S3. All right. So in here, what we have is view resume. And how that works is going to be this. So in here, we're gonna say in here we're gonna expect a file code, right? And in here, I want to say get S3, get the file code. So in here, we're gonna say file data. Okay, and in here's the interesting part. We're gonna say response equals to HTTP response file data bracket body. Okay. I'm not sure will this work. I'm gonna say content type application / PDF to return response. We're gonna see if this works or not. I don't know if it works. So what's the idea is it's gonna return like a PDF format, which means it's gonna return something like this. Okay, it's gonna return something like this. Looks something similar. It's not exactly a web page, but it's like a PDF viewer. Okay, return response. Yeah. Let's get this. All right. So now in here, let's go to the urls.py, and in here, we're gonna say pass the resume as star file code. View resume. Slash jobs. Okay, we're gonna say this. Slash jobs, slash resume. Let's put this code in. Okay. By multiple element. To quit the server and run again. I'm not sure what's that exactly mean. Oh my god, what's this mean? Let's take a look again. I don't get it. Oh. Okay, I know it now. Yeah, okay, I think the add is something new. It's supposed to be a string. Oh no, never mind. Let's try without the underscore. Wait, this happens. Oh my god. Yeah, what's this mean? Let me just try to Google it, because I have absolutely no clue what this means. Let me just try to debug it using args and quarks. Because I have absolutely no clue what this means. Okay, still not working. Alright, gonna struggle here for a little bit, looks like. Excuse me. Okay. Why would this work? Why would this work? But not that. I don't know why this happens, man. Okay, let's take a look. Shouldn't be, it's not a class. Okay. Well, let's try to create a different app, see what's gonna happen. I'm just creating the employers here. Alright, nice. resume slash stir. I have a feeling this is not gonna work. Oh, 1 second, start messed up. Okay, here's calling you out. Slash employer. I never see that error before. Let's see. I am so confused right now. I have absolutely no clue why this is happening. Oh, I forgot to add request. I must. Okay. Well, I should keep doing 1 video a day, to be honest. Take a break, but maybe that's a bad idea. Okay, well, I think we stuck this error for 5 minutes straight. If you already find out that error and you are yelling at me, please comment down below. I have nothing to say. Alright. Let's see now. Alright. Let's see. Ooh. Alright, so I'm gonna upload again since I lost the key. Alright, that's the key here. Let's paste it right there. Ooh, nice. So I can see we actually see the resume in this format here. Okay, so now what are we going to do is this. What are we gonna do now? Let's see. So now we see the file code, it's working. So now let's just create application then. Alright, so now I got the applicant ID. Job ID. Resume. And cover letter. .save. Okay, let me just take a look, see if we have the name is cover. Okay. Remove this one. Anything else that I particularly want to add? No, maybe then I can just say return. Render request authentication slash success.html message gonna be applied if it because I think if when we're doing the reusable app, we create a template where we can just apply this message and it's gonna work. to display whatever message you put. So here I can say message applied successfully. Alright, let's go ahead and refresh. Apply successfully. Nice. Alright. Okay, so now what's going to happen. Oh, we actually need a timestamp. Stuff like this always need a timestamp. Let's see. Timestamp equals to date time models date time field auto now equals to true. Press element JobPy migration migrate. Alrighty. Alright. So in here we're gonna say if so try app equals to application.objects.get applicant ID equals to request.user.id job ID equals to code equals to this. Job ID then expect accept application that does not exist. I just want to say pass. But then otherwise, in here, you're gonna say return HTTP response or return HTTP return render request indication /success .html message is gonna be you already applied this job on. Here you can just say app.timestamp. Right. Sweet. So submit. Alright, you already applied to this job. Okay, yeah, good enough. Alright, here we go, so etc. Alright. Let's see, what else are we going to do? Okay. So now what's gonna happen is here's what's gonna happen. So once they apply the job, what should happen is the employer should receive some sort of notification. Right? Employer should receive some sort of notification that said that they apply. Right? So in here, what we could do is let's see, how should we handle it? Okay, here's what we're gonna do. You're gonna add one more field, type of our model, and it's called status. It's gonna be integer field. Okay, so 1 or 0 means waiting response. Right, 1 means viewed this application. 2 means rejected. Yeah, for now let's just do these because I don't think Indeed has other stuff. Okay, let's say Python -.py make migrations. Okay, let's say default, let's say 2. Default equals to 0. JobFinder make migrations. That's wait, what? Okay. All right. So what's gonna happen is in here, we're gonna say def view all application. Right. And in here, we need to also import the application. So from jobs.models, import application. And in here, we say onRead apps. And in here, we're gonna say objects.filter. Okay, so we're going to do this. So I need to get all the jobs. Okay, so I kind of need to do, I need to make a way for them to actually see them. Okay, so what we will do, query set, how can I put them out query set? Never mind, I'm not going to do that. Okay. So in here, we're going to say, read apps. All right. And in here, we're going to say jobs equal to job, the objects, the filter. Profile equals to profile. Get user ID equals request. The ID. Job. Equals to profile equals to profile.id. And in here, we're going to say for job in jobs. Okay, so in here, we're going to say application, the objects, the filter, stuff as status equals 0, job ID equals to job.id. And here we're going to say read apps.append. Right here, we're going to say return render request employer slash slash applications.html. And here you're going to say apps equals to onRead apps. And in here, let me go create applications.html. So we're going to finish this employer side here. And in here, we're going to say for any apps and for say UL here. So what's going to happen? Okay, I think I need to rephrase it. I don't want to just use this here. So what equals to this. What I want to append is the name. So the applicant ID. So name equals to profile the objects dot get. Do I have the name? Yes, we do. And the user ID equals to applicant ID. Email request the user the objects the get. User ID equals to app the applicant ID. I don't want to make this too long, but maybe it had to go a little bit longer. Almost there. Name, email, we need to know the job that's applied to. So, job is pretty simple. Drop the title. Right? Okay. So now it's simple. That 8.0 applied. I also need a time. So in here, name, oops, and maybe here, 8.1 email applied to on industry. Okay. Let's see the oops. Let me close these two. Alright. The reason I have that open is because my OBS has some issues. But now it should be all fixed. Hopefully it's fixed as well. Alright, let's see jobs. Okay, let's add a URL then. Link it. Let's link it. And here pass, let's just say apps. Use the view application. Alright. Lawyer apps. Query set has an attribute applicant ID. Okay, we need to do another loop then. So that's a filter query set. What's up now? Okay, so user ID. Just ID here. Alright, thanks for refreshing. Alright, profile object 3. Okay, profile object 3, that's not what I want. Dot name. Alright, job seeker, that's actually my name, applied to movie editor 2 on December 19, 2020, 3:34 a.m. Alright, it looks good. So what we're going to implement next is the ability for them to actually read and review the application. That's when that resume thing going to come really handy. Okay? Alright, so hopes you guys enjoyed this video. So if you guys have any comments, questions, concerns, please feel free to comment down below. Always appreciate the comment I got. So thank you all for supporting. I received tremendous support just over the year that I joined YouTube. Thanks a lot. Thanks for joining this journey with me. And beyond that, as always, stay safe and have a nice day. Happy New Year. DevWithMe out.